This is Dr. Deuk at Deuk Spine Institute here in Florida, and I'm with one of my longtime patients, and we fixed your back years ago with surgery.
2009.
Yeah.
Three-level fusion.
Three-level fusion. How'd you do with that surgery?
I did good with it, although a couple of years later I had a little problem with nerve burning in my back. So I had Dr. Patel do the drill of RFA. RFA, is that the right
Yes, sir.
term?
RFA, radio frequency ablation.
Yeah, and he did that, and it lasted for quite some time. Then, for some reason, in my later years, I'm going to be 84 on my next birthday, they started to feel bad again in my back. I was having trouble. So I came back, and same result.
So you
Good to
came
go.
back recently, and we figured out it was your facet joints.
Yep,
And we did another rhizotomy, and how are you doing after that rhizotomy?
I'm doing good today. At first, it took a little time for it to kick in,
It does.
but now I feel fine.
So what do you think about people who say, I'm too old to have my back fixed and get rid of my back pain?
Never too old. Never.
Because you're 84 and obviously you're on oxygen, right?
Yep,
For an unrelated issue with your lungs.
yep,
And I know you're a veteran.
yep.
And,
26 years.
And it bothers me to know there's millions of people out there living daily in pain, letting it destroy their lives when they could get it fixed pretty easily.
I'm telling you, I'm a believer, and I have recommended so many people come to see you. I don't know if they
Appreciate
ever
that.
mentioned it, but I am a big believer in Dr. Deuk.
All right.
He's my man.
Well, go out there and enjoy the rest of your life.
I am, and if I need help, I'll come back.
Good seeing you.
You too, buddy.
All right.